tong alaga ko. Ayan o. So, hinihintay niya yung kanyang ate na susunduin namin. Sarado pa yung pintuan nila. Hinihintay siya. Ay, green day kasi ngayon, green day. Naka-green sila. Hindi ka na.
One more. On waffles.
Pinakain mo, tapos gusto mo niya ng waffle. Gutom ka? Ha?
Huh?
The other one.
Okay. On this one.
Okay. Gutom ka?
No, this one for me and this one for you.
Okay. Oh, mabait siya.
How we get out
nagbibigay.
then? This for me.
Mabait siya.
No, this is.
Okay,
and this
open
is
up.
yours. For you?
Thank
you?
you. Nagbabait siya.
For me.
Oh, for you and for me. You throw this on the bin. Here, oh, the bin, oh.
It's for Jess.
Yeah, here.
Red.
Red for
It's one.
general waste, yeah. Okay.
No, it's called plastic.
Yeah. General, the paper, and the plastic. Come na.
This is not here.
The paper. You throw there the paper. The yellow is for the plastic.
This one.
Yeah, for plastic. The plastic you throw there. The paper is the blue, and then the general is for the red. Come here na. Naman nakikita
Why
yung ano mo?
decorate? Where's my sticker?
Huh?
Where's my sticker?
I don't know. Where did you put? You bring it in the school.
I'll find it. I find more.
Okay, we buy more.
Go.
No, we cannot get. Where will you get buy more? Oh.
Sa Pilipinas, punta siya sa mga November na.
Yan, lalaro siya.
Let me get one.
Tagal nila ngayon na ma-dismiss ha. Hindi pa sila tapos. Late na sila ma-dismiss ngayon. 11:30. 7:49. Na late sila ngayon. Okay. So, God bless you all. Keep safe everyone. Ganyan po ang buhay namin mga OFW. Hatid sundo sa mga bata. Pagdating linis naman, laba, luto. Niwan ko ngayon niluluto ko doon. At i-continuous ko na lang mamaya. At yan yung buhay natin. Yan yung pinaka-school nila. Yan. Yan. So marami mga parents na talagang naghahatid at nagsusundo sa mga bata. Okay. Ayun siya oh. Yung boy nandun siya. Okay, bye.
Ate Jackie,
Talaga naman. Ako, diloloko mo ko eh.